Hello and welcome to this CloudBlast tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to install Dokploy on a VPS running Ubuntu 24.04. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Dokploy up and running, ready to manage your Docker applications. Let's get started. First, connect to your VPS via SSH. Once connected, make sure your system is up to date. Next, install the necessary tools and dependencies for Docker, as Dokploy relies on Docker to run applications in containers. Then, install Docker itself. This will allow you to manage Docker containers on your VPS. After Docker is set up, we'll install Dokploy using a simple script. This will automatically configure everything for you. Finally, after the installation, access the Dokploy web panel by typing your VPS's IP address in your browser. Register an account, log in, and you're all set. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and invite you to visit our website, cloudblast.io. Thanks for watching.